Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to review the GoPro Hero 9. I'm going to share with you all the bad things and good things that you should know about this camera. So let's start. With the two negative things that I personally see on a GoPro 9. The first thing is the battery life. I definitely recommend getting multiple batteries only because the one battery is going to last you 1 hour and a half, and it really depends what kind of things you're doing with the camera. But let's say that you want to go scuba diving or you want to go on a bicycle and ride for like 4 hours. You need minimal, I don't know, maybe like 3 batteries. And of course it depends what kind of things you get turned on, but still the battery life is not that great, and keep that in mind. And the second thing is that you're not going to have SD card in a box. So let's say that you want to get it for someone as a gift. You are going to be unable to use it without the SD card. So when the person is going to open, like let's say what kind of videos I can record with it, they are unable to do that because the SD card is not going to be in a box and you have to get it from somewhere else. So these two things, definitely keep that in mind. And now let me talk to you about the good stuff. So the first thing is the video stabilization. That's a top notch on a GoPro Hero 9. Then the second thing, waterproof, 20 megapixel photos, 4K video resolution. Like, it's a good camera. And now I'm going to show you how we can use it. So the charging works with the USB-C cable, which is really easy from the side. Then you're gonna have the mount from the bottom if you want to. And then on the top you're gonna have the record. And then from the left you're gonna have like turning it off, let's say, or changing the modes. So let's say that you right now want to go for picture. You're just gonna press it like this, and then you're gonna take a picture. Or let's say that you want to go for a video, you can easily do that too. And now let me show you all the settings that you're gonna have here. So here on the left side you're gonna have the SD card, then you're gonna have the normal speed, or when I can go to slow motion, or even better slow motion. Then you're gonna have the linear here, and this is like the wide. As you can see, I'm changing, and I'm the narrow, so that's what you can do right here. Then you're gonna have the standard, so this is the video for the activity, for the cinematic, slow motion, so you can choose the modes right here, or you can create a new one. So then on the right side you're gonna have the stabilization. Right now the boost is on or off, and then you're gonna have the zoom. So that's how it works. And now when you're gonna swipe left or right, you're gonna change between the modes that I was mentioning: the photo, the video, and also the time lapse. And then when you're gonna swipe down, you're gonna have the menu here. So this is the voice control. Then here you're gonna have the beeps. Then you're gonna have the quick capture if you want to lock the camera. Then you're gonna have the grid here, as you can see. And then you're gonna have the front screen options. So right now, let's say I have the full screen, and look at this. In a second, I go back away from settings, and you can see me right now. But let's say that I want to go like this, and I want to change it to no screen at all, so screen off. And look at this. Right now you're not going to see anything. So this is something that you can do. You can actually disable it, and then even your battery life is going to be better. Then when you're going to have that, you can have the orientation. Then you're going to have the max lens mode if you want to. And then you're going to have preferences. So in preferences, you're going to have the voice control, and also you're going to have the general, and the video compression, time, day, date format, all of that. And then you're going to have also the display, and you can like change the brightness here, orientation, and all of that. So that's pretty much it, how we can use it in the basics. Then of course it really depends. You have to test it out when you want to go, I don't know, underwater, which kind of mode works best for you, or when you want to go run. which one you like the most. So that's pretty much it about it. And now the question if I actually recommend it, I can say I definitely do. For running, cycling, scuba diving, the high quality pictures and videos, also great stabilization, easy to understand, and it's small and it's not heavy at all. But my two recommendations: definitely get more batteries if you want to record more than, let's say, 60-90 minutes at a time, and also you have to get an SD card because you're not going to find it in a box. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.